Today I'm painting a landscape inspired by the Irish countryside. For this piece, I did the sky using the wet-on-wet technique, and before the layer dried, I used a dry paper tissue to lift out the clouds. I wasn't sure about keeping them so prominent, so I added one more layer of paint on top. So let's try painting a spring landscape, perhaps just after the rain. Thank you for watching. What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.